Alright everybody, this is my short unboxing, which I've already taken it out the box, of the Blizzard lighting puck. Uplighting. This is part of my uplighting package that ordered from audiolines.com. You have the puck itself, then the bracket, which or yoke you can stand it up on or lay it flat, whatever, and then 2 rubber washers and the nuts for each one of them. On the puck itself, got the big LEDs. Alright, you can link the power on these guys. You can run an extension cord to your next cable. Pretty nice DMX in, DMX out. Your dip switches there. So really nice little light. I got from audiolines.com. They're the only ones I found a package with these guys. There may be another, but that's what I found. Got 10 of these, all the XLRs for that to go along with it, and the Shavette Obey 3 controller to go along with that for my uplighting package. So this is, there's the power cord for it. You know, it comes with an instruction booklet and a 2-year warranty it lists there. You can see there's the puck there. One of them. I have 10. I only have 5 hooked up at the moment. So we'll do a short video and show you what we got going on here.
Yeah. 2004.
This one is a special Mr. Man, the dance father. And I don't like when we take away the version, you know so? Style.
Just got them on sound activated at the moment.
Another silent style. Whoa, ring me along. 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 Another
The Blizzard Puck. Nice little light. Practice and enjoy.